So, staying at Hotel Breakers this weekend. Thought we'd check it out. We never stayed here before. Just brought the family out. Gonna see what it's all about. I've always wondered how this resort is, being right on the peninsula here at Cedar Point. The location is outstanding. The rooms are always a little bit pricey, but I just assumed it's a nice place, and given the location, it's you can't beat it for sure. So we're gonna head inside, check out all of what they have to offer, see what the room's like. Like I said, a little pricey. So I've always been curious. Got the room for tax and all about $335, I think, for the night. So let's head in and see what we got. So right when you first come in at your gift shop, head down the hallway and head into the lobby area. We got Snoopy, Charlie Brown doing some meet and greets. Love the decor on the walls. If you're into the old school pictures, park. There we go. This huge lobby area. The horses on the carousel. So up here on the second level of the lobby, more of these really nice collection of some of these honestly look like they're just sort of taken from a picture and blown up. But no, kidding aside, these I love. Well, it's what I love about Melt so much. If you've ever been inside of Melt, just all the pictures and memorabilia from in the park. I love park photography, so it's really neat to see how they've decorated a lot of this hotel with this photography. It's what I like so much about Breakers Express. Another plug on the channel. I did a video from there a couple of years ago. Breakers Express, same thing. A lot of park photography. It's in the rooms, all that. So, okay. So, inside of the room, I have to be honest, the room itself, it's a Holiday Inn room basically. It's a very standard, typical hotel room with a very small bathroom actually. They're a lot of fun. I don't know. As far as the room itself goes, you're not getting anything special for sure. I've not seen the inside of a suite here at Breakers. I don't know if those are much bigger and much more worth it. But I mean, let's be honest, you're paying for the location at Breakers, and it's not like this is a bad hotel. It's a nice touch having the pictures, the Ferris wheel. I did stay at the Breakers Express a couple of years ago. I felt like I was more impressed with that room for some reason. I'm not sure, I'd have to go back and watch that video, but yeah, there's really just not much to show off in room. It's a very standard hotel room, and I got this room for about $335-ish with tax. And like I said, you're not gonna get the value out of the room by any means. We'll walk around and take a look at the rest of the hotel, the lobby, and all the amenities and everything they offer. It is you know, you start making your money back there, but room-wise, don't expect much. Go check out the rest of the hotel. Got the teaspoon in tow. Couple of the food options. Down in the lobby you got Perkins. Had breakfast there this morning. Not open yet for the day is their hibachi grill over in one of the other wings of the resort. It's a Fridays I don't know if there's actually a Domino's pizza here on property, or if they just have a partnership, but I've seen Domino's delivery guys running everywhere, like their room service. So look at the gift shop here. From what I can tell, it's well, sort of general Cedar Point stuff. That's about it. Just your standard gift shop. Ooh, look at that. Sleeveless shirts. Some more classic Cedar Point art. Love the artwork around here. I really do. Some of the merch in the gift shop is breaker specific. Some of the ladies' tees here, and then there's some hoodies over on the other side. I'll go show some hats. Some of the long sleeve and oh yeah, there's some hoodies. Not sure where else on property they sell breakers stuff. Might be the only breakers merchandise if you're that into hotel breakers. And then just more general Cedar Point stuff. So really the highlight of breakers, aside from the location, is just outside the resort on the beach side. We've got these really awesome fire pits. Tried to get last night, but it was a rainy, crappy night. Couldn't really get out here, so get to see them when it's light out. But it's just a really nice hangout area. Just inside is that rotunda area with the bar and the Starbucks. So if you bring your drinks out here, even in the rain last night, lots of people out here, all of them drunk. It's definitely a nice party atmosphere at night. We got the sandbar. There's the whole beach area. If you've never really spent time on the beach of Cedar Point, if you're here with family who like to just spend some time relaxing, it's a really beautiful beach. It's like a mile long, I think they advertise. I don't know if that's accurate or not, but it goes all the way from the water park all the way down past the Windseeker. There's an entrance into the park at Windseeker, and then the beach goes further. But let's go around and check out some of the pools. First of the two outdoor pools. Pretty cool little area. A couple of water slides. Actually, this is, I could be wrong. I need to explore more, but I think this is just the kids' pool. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's two outdoor pools, and this is just the kids' pool. So that's, assuming that helps keep the kids out of the other pools, which aren't necessarily labeled as adult pools, but probably helps having this little splash area and the slides, and of course the beach. Let's go find the other pools. At the In the Loop Drunken Vengeance weekend, we were here trying to get in to ride Steel Vengeance first thing, and I don't remember what I left or what one of us left. Hot tub area. Oh, we're coming up on the other pool. But anyway, I remember I had to go back down to the parking lot to get something out of the car, and then in a dead sprint, when you have complete dad bod, running all the way from way past all those rides, all the way down that way through the Magnum entrance to Steel Vengeance. Oh boy, I don't exercise like that anymore. It did me in for the day, I remember. So anyway, I digress. Here's the first of the two regular outdoor pools. This is a good size one. I was looking at the indoor one, which I'll show you in a bit. It's pretty small, but I mean, it's expected, it's inside. But the outdoor pools, not only great views, it really is a beautiful resort from the outside. But two really good sized outdoor pools with the kids pool in addition to the beach. So big props there if you're into swimming. The outdoor pool, there's the lakeside pavilion, and then over by Windseeker is the, you can see it in there, is the other entrance to the park, or one of the entrances to the park. So I'm gonna turn around and head back down by the other outdoor pool before we go in the Magnum entrance to the park. The little bar, Starbucks portion of the rotunda. There it is, the old surf lounge. Had many a Yingling from there, my last couple visits. And then over here, a full service Starbucks. It's not just a Cedar Point selling Starbucks, it's full service. Had many iced coffee from there, my last couple visits. So another look at my favorite part of this hotel. It's the arcade. Nothing crazy, standard arcade, but arcade nonetheless. And then one of the entrances to the indoor pool. You know what it is? I've decided what it reminds me of. If you've ever been to the Monte Carlo in Vegas, I guess that also was renovated the last couple of years. But at least prior to that renovation, that's what this reminds me of. It felt a little dated, like almost like an 80s kind of feel, but I don't know, it's not a bad thing. Like I said, it's just like a hodgepodge of different eras and different feels to the place. It's a good look at the indoor pool. And then over here you got the TGI Fridays. There's the outdoor seating portion. It'd be really nice on a nice evening out. Sit out here and eat some dinner. Better look right there. And then you got your beach volleyball, more of those little cabana things. I don't know if you gotta rent those or not. It's a question I do not have an answer to. And outdoor pool number 2. This place is massive, I have to say. Just walking around doing this sort of tour and review video, it's a lot of walking. A lot of exercise, very spread out, spacious hotel. Pool number 2 looks to be very similar to the first one. Hot tub over there, and then just a nice, big, relaxing pool. Nothing elaborate, but definitely gets the job done. And right next to the end, we're down here at the far end of the resort. You're right next to the entrance to the big old water park. So right over by Magnum, the entrance to the dry park or the entrance to the water park. So so I don't know. In review, I definitely hey buddy. Hi buddy.
Hi friends.
Chase.
Hi friends.
Oh, that's adorable. So Chase is out here helping with the review. I certainly am a fan of breakers. It's sort of hard to say. I mean, price point, it's a little high, but you're getting so much out of this place as far as the location. It's really nice, especially during what do they call it now? The Sunflower Festival, I think. I don't know. Used to be the Brew and Barbecue. It'll always be Brew and Barbecue to me. But have a few drinks over there. The park sells so much alcohol these days. There's so many beer selections. If you're a beer drinker, it's easy to have a few drinks and want to just be able to walk next door to your room. Well, yeah, okay, I'll be right over. So the location of the park is superb. The views are beautiful. The access to the beach is awesome. You get the early entry into the park. It's all very nice. And if you're going, it is a destination. It's becoming a destination park. And so, sorry about that. Chase is having a great time. He loves it here. But anyway, what was I saying? It's a destination park at this point, and so, you know, much like going down to Orlando or other destination resort amusement parks, you're gonna pay. You're gonna pay to stay at, you know, prime locations. So while the rooms are nothing spectacular, they're not bad either. They're just, you know, it gets the job done. Chances are, with as much as there is to do here, you're not going to be spending much time in the room anyway. So, you know, take a look at the views, take those into consideration, the location, the other perks. I definitely feel like the resort overall warrants what the cost is, and I'm glad I finally had a chance to stay here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and it helps persuade you one way or the other if you're thinking about staying here. So that's that. I gotta go put Chase on some rides. So be sure to subscribe and follow us all. I am In the Loop Kenny, and I will talk to you later. I gotta go keep my kid from jumping in the lake. Okay, let's go.
Up there.